Hello friends, in this session we'll talk about multiple choice questions of Stone Age, right? So we'll talk about today's Stone Age. In each exam, almost all exam, you'll find one or two questions coming from Stone Age. You see, before starting the questions, we should understand that the first age of mankind, human civilization, started from stone only, right? And the stone age can be divided into three categories: early stone age, middle stone age, and you can say new stone age. In historical language, we say stone age, paleolithic age, paleolithic age, mesolithic age, and neolithic. Very simple. So you can watch our lesson. Paleo means old, meso means middle, neo means new, and lithic means stone, right? So what I mean to say that you should understand that stone is of three categories: Paleolithic age, Mesolithic, and Neolithic age. Anyway, let's start the question. What was the animal? What was the first animal to be tamed? Very simple, dog. Even today also we domesticate dogs, cats, many animals, pet animals. So dog was the first animal to be tamed by mankind. Question number 2, in which age fire was discovered? In which age fire was discovered? Very simple. The first stage of Stone Age, Paleolithic age. You can say also Old Stone Age, right? Old Stone Age. Well, question number 3, during which age actually this is F-L-A-K, flags were introduced. Paleolithic age, flags, stone instruments, right? So flag means here the stone instruments. We are talking about Stone Age only. So flag implements are found in Paleolithic age, right? Question number 4, during which age the age of metal started? During which age of metal started? Chalcolithic period. Chalcolithic period we call, lithic means stone, chalco means copper. So all this metal age started in Chalcolithic period, right? Chalcolithic age or period you can say, right? So metal age started in Chalcolithic period. Question number 5, in which age wheel was discovered? Neolithic age. Try to understand. In early mankind, or you can say early Stone Age, wheel was the most important invention, and that's why many times questions are asked, which was the most important discovery or invention of early people, mankind. So that's your wheel, and it was discovered in Neolithic. Question number 6, which metal was invented first? Very simple, copper. If it is crop, then this is first metal was copper, and first crop, remember, that's your cotton. Cotton was the first crop, and if you talk about cereals, first cereals, wheat and barley. We'll discuss later. So if it is cereals, then wheat and barley, crop, cotton, and metal, copper. Three things you should remember. First metal used by mankind, copper. First crop cultivated by mankind, that's your cotton. First cereals, wheat and barley. Question number 8, in which age cloth weaving started? Art of cloth weaving started, Neolithic period. Question number 9, which metal was invented after copper? Obviously, that's your bronze. Correct answer. Next question, what was the most important invention of early man? important invention or discovery, you can say, no issues. Wheel. I have already explained. Here is the wheel, important, most important. So somewhere it is written discovered, answer is wheel, invented also wheel. Anyway. Next question. Domestication of animals. Cultivation started in which period? Actually, in Mesolithic period, cultivation started, domestication of animals started. And the first animal to be domesticated was your dog. I have already explained. So, domestication of animals, cultivation started in Mesolithic period, means Middle Age. Middle, you can say Middle Stone Age or period. So, this is the thing you have to remember, right? Question number 12, the Paleolithic Age. The Paleolithic Age is also called, very simple, Old Stone Age. Old Stone Age. Question number 13, the tools of Mesolithic Age are called microliths. You see, micro means very, very small. So tools of those, you can say, Mesolithic period are called microliths. That was found in Brahmagiri. Please remember, these tools, microliths, are found in Brahmagiri. In Brahmagiri, microliths were found. So this is the point you should remember. Question number 14, the techniques of pot making. We know different kinds of pot making, color, gray, right? So that was, the techniques were originated in late Stone Age. Last question, question number 15, the earliest cereals grown by mankind, wheat and barley. This is the thing you should remember for exam point of view. I hope you are enjoying these questions and you will definitely score very good marks. So please watch it again and again. And if you have any doubt, you can write in comment box. Wish you happy learning. Thank you very much.